Hello friends, welcome back to the video series Learn HTML5 in a Day. In this video, we will discuss how to use the tables in HTML. Now, what is a table? A table is a matrix of cells, each possibly having content. The cells can include almost any element. Some cells have row or column labels and some have data. The cells in the top row often contain columns labels. Those in the leftmost column often contains row labels, and most of the rest of the cells contain the data of the table. The content of a cell can be text, a heading, a horizontal rule, an image, or a nested table. A table is specified as the content of a table tag. A border attribute in HTML 4.01 and XHTML 1.0 in the table tag specifies a border between the cells. This attribute is not present in HTML5. The styles of the border and rules in a table are specified in HTML5 with the style sheets. Tables are given titles with the caption tag CAPTION, which can immediately follow the table tag. So, each row of a table is specified as the content of a TR tag. The row labels, that means the headings, are specified as the content of a TH tag. The contents of a data cell is specified as the content of a TD tag. Let's check all these theoretical aspects with the practical way. So at first, we have the doc type HTML, and HTML language is equal to English, then the head, and here we are changing the title with another title, that is tables in HTML. And here we have the meta cassette, that is UTF-8. Then we have the end of head tag, and then the body starts. And here we are starting the table. So just remove those codes at first, and also the paragraph tag. So here we are starting with the TABLE for the table. And now we have the caption. That's why we are writing caption. Then suppose we are writing fruit juice drinks. Then the end of the caption, and now we are proceeding with the TR tag. That means table row. Here again we are starting with the another tag, that is called the TH. Then another TH tag, and here suppose we are writing, that must be TH, we are writing HT, that is strong, and here suppose we are writing apple. Then remove the /HT and another TH, suppose that is orange, and another TH, that means the header, table header, and here suppose we are writing banana. So that is the first row which is containing the table head. Okay, so next one, another TR would be there. So let copy it and we are pasting it here, and here for the first one th we are giving the breakfast, and here that is not th, that must be the td, so that must end with td, and here suppose we are giving the value as 0, and we are now copying it and pasting here once again, and that must be td with the tag. Then write it as 1, sorry, that must be 0, the second one is 1, and another one td we are writing here, and that is 2, sorry, that must be 2 here. At first saving it, and next once again we are proceeding with another tier, and here in place of breakfast we are writing suppose lunch, and another tier we are with, and here we are writing suppose dinner. So end of table and end of body with the end of HTML tag. So save it with Ctrl S. Let's check what happens with the output. And here we can see the first one caption is the fruit that must be juice, but here it has been written as juice, sorry, the fruit juice drinks. Then the tr, that means the first one row, and it is containing the first one is blank, that's why that th has been kept as blank. Suppose here we are writing sorry, paste it, save it and refresh. So you can find the sorry here, but there must be no word, that must be blank for the table as represented here. So we are deleting the sorry word and saving it and refresh, and we are getting the blank. Then the th, that is the header, the first one apple is here, the second one is the orange, third one is the banana. Then the next tier, here the th header is the breakfast, and for that the td it is representing 0, 1, 2 respectively. Then for the next tier the lunch is there and the respective 0, 1, 2, and the final one the dinner is here for the th, and also the 0, 1, 2 for the td tag is here with the output. So that is how simply we can use the table. Next one, we should use the row span and the call span attributes. Now a table can have two labels of column labels. If so, the call span, that means COLSPAN attribute must be set in the TH tag to specify that the label must span some number of columns. Let we are once again with another one output. So here we are removing the tier th, and here we are writing th, then we are using the call span, and that one we have given now suppose within double quote 3 end, and now fruit, this time I am writing juice drinks, and then the end of the tier tag Then another tier is here, and we are writing, suppose the first one as apple, then the second one as orange, and the third one as banana. And here we are removing that td tag, but that must be our th, and that is also th, and here also we have to use the h and the h, and finally remove those tiers, and also we are removing the caption here. So what happens after saving the file? Let's check the output here, and here we can see the fruit juice drinks is here, and after that the column span, that one has been given as 3. So that's why the apple, orange and banana have the 3 columns. Next one, if the rows have labels and there is a spanning column label, the upper left corner must be made larger using the row span. So we can also use the row span there. Let's check with another one, coding, and here we are deleting it, and here under table tag we are writing table, then the border, and border is equal to, we are giving it the border, the end of double quote. Now the next one, and here we are using the tier tag, and now we are using the td, and here we are using the row span, and we are providing that one as 2. So end of the td tag, then we are using another one for the column span, but that must be th, and here we are using call span, and call span has been given, suppose 3. So end of the th, and here we are writing fruit juice drinks, and end of th, and then the end of tier. Now another tier we are writing here, that is tr, and then we are using the th tag. So th, here we are writing apple, then another th, and here we are writing the orange, and finally another th is there, and here we are writing the banana. So end of th tag and also the end of tier tag must be there, and finally the end of the table tag. So what happens with the output? Let's check. So here we are finding with the border, and the row span is equal to 2 here. Now once again we are adding some more with that particular code. So at first, when the table has been given, here we are not using the border at first. Suppose we are deleting the border. Then we are using the caption. So caption, and here we are writing fruit juice drinks. Then we are using the tier, and here we are using the td row span is equal to 2 and the th call span as equal to 3. So the end of tier then another tier tag, and where we are using the first one must be a blank. Sorry, once again it has been written as ht, that must be th, that has kept blank. Now the next th or the trs, so copy it and paste here, and here we are using the first one as breakfast, and that must be not td, and here we are writing the 0 and end of td, same as here, that must be a td, and suppose here in place of orange we are writing 1 and the end of td tag, and the final one, that is also a td, and here we are writing the 2 and the end of td tag with the tier tag. Now copy it and paste, and another paste here, the second one here, that is for lunch, and the third one for the dinner. So finally the tier tag is ending here and the table tag. So let's check what happens with the output. We already have saved the file, and let's check the output here. So that is looking like that one. Now if we use the border once again here, what is happening? So here we are using the border, and here we are writing the border is equal to border with the double quote. Let's check what should be the output, and here we can see the output with the border. The next one are the table sections. Now the tables naturally occur in 2 and sometimes 3 parts: header, body and footer. Not all tables have a natural footer also. These 3 parts can be respectively denoted in HTML with the head, t-body and t-foot elements. The header includes the column labels regardless of the number of labels in those labels. The body includes the data of the table including the row labels. The footer, when it appears, sometimes has the column labels repeated after the body. In some tables, the footer contains totals for the columns of data above. Just remember, the border, that particular property of any table in HTML, is not in HTML5, that is up to the HTML 4.01. So that is how we can use the table in HTML. In the next video, we will discuss on the forms.